and that's the original street. Was another paved street or brick street? Or
No,
that was the only
we
one?
call
That was
that
the only one.
We call that the Brick Road, and it went all the way through Welborn, and we would skate. My cousin, when they came, my cousin Carolyn, she would bring her old skates to me, and we would skate up and down that brick road.
I got some scars on my knees now where I'd fall and hit a rock and it'd stick in your leg, or knee.
That was tough skating on that brick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, across from that brick store in Welborn, there was a filling station. And I was skating under there, and I fell down and knocked the breath out of me, and I thought I would never catch my breath.
I think in this Welborn book, there's a picture of Maurice Geiger with skates on that brick street. And I thought, when I saw that, I thought that was a rough place to skate.
It was, but we skated.
But you
up
didn't
down
have
that road.
problems with automobiles because there wasn't very many automobiles.
Right.
So there wasn't much danger in getting hit by a car.
No, we hardly ever saw a car.